On the monthly, we have seen last month gold, okay, for April, gold has closed right above 1687, through closed and above all of these wicks. So we have seen that gold made an indecisive candlestick here, shooting star, and then a killer wick that tricked sellers into selling here, tricked buyers into buying here, and then gold just closed here in the middle. And then the next month it just thrown up. So this candlestick has shown as momentum has shifted to the upside by closing above all of these candlesticks. So what I'm anticipating this month now is for gold to probably retest lower a bit before moving to the upside. So my bias on the monthly is a bullish. I am expecting to see 1800s reach this month. Looking into the week, we have we have last week, um previous week, 20th April, it closed right above all of this. Everyone was expecting gold to push further this week, but gold disappointed. Gold pulled back for a bit. Gold closed at 1700, nice round psychology level there. So I'm expecting gold maybe tap once into these areas, 1690s, 1670s, before continuing to the upside. But bear in mind, the price right now is really far from the MAs, so it might want to revisit the MAs first before pinging to the upside. So looking down, so on the weekly, my bias is also bullish. However, we have to come back down to retest a few levels within this region before moving up. So looking at the daily, okay, let me just get that up. Looking at the daily, gold has been consolidating within this zone from 1740s to about 1670s, so that's about a 970 700 pips there. However, gold on Thursday slammed right down close below these two candlesticks, taken out these two candlesticks, showing us momentum has shifted to the downside, but it came back down and tapped into this region of a liquidity zone on the daily. Okay, so it halted there. The next day it revisited that zone, but then it couldn't close bearish, it closed bullish right above the 13 EMA. Now what this tells us is that momentum has shifted to the upside and we're now breathing above waters. So what I can anticipate is that gold might throw a wick down here, 1680s, before deciding to move upwards. So I'm very cautious about um, price visiting 1680s here, 1680, 1683, and it's most likely a buy for me. I would take a buy here with stops maybe below here, and my first target will be 1730s, and my second target will be 1730, 1713 and 1730s. Sorry, yeah. But I am expecting gold's price action to take out stops. So the stops will be here. First stop to take out would probably be here. However, we must expect price to first rebound, revisit the zone. What I'm expecting, revisit the zone, okay, and then test this trend line of a downtrend, and break above this. However, once broken, I'm expecting a retest before moving upside. If the gold's price action, if the risk is still on at the moment, we can expect gold to actually take out this last week's high. But I'm cautious about it. I am expecting gold to be able to take out these highs this week because of the market sentiment, where um, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look that good on the western side of the world. So although restrictions are being lifted off, I do think there's a high chance of reinfection in terms of the coronavirus. So I do expect gold to be taken out all these highs, but my ultimate projection for gold will be 1805. The reason why 1805 is because looking at the monthly chart, we have previous 2012 October, the highs were at 1795.92, and on the 11th of November we have price at 1803. So if price were to drive up all the way into 1800s, I am expecting gold to hunt a few stops, possibly above these regions. So gold will most likely not stop at 1800s but reach 1805 just to take up the stops of those placed at 1800s. So that is the ultimate target for this month on May for gold. So that is my thesis. It will come back down before making up further high, retest, etc. So putting on a fib, let's check out the fib. So there's a pip from the highs to the lows. We do have our confluence lined up here. Is that gold will reach 1730s, a nice overlap here before moving further upside to make a confirmation. But I'm only confident in holding on this trade if and only if this trend line is broken. There's a clear break, clean retest, and only moving to the upside. So this is my thesis on gold. Thank you.